Hey guys, Amy from Fresh at Home. Some of you may have already seen, but for those who haven't, we've received some boxes in the mail earlier today. We've been keeping the contents a bit of a surprise because we're really excited for these products. We wanted to do an unboxing and we wanted to have a bit of a play around with them. If you have any questions, put a comment in and we'll talk to you soon. As you can see, we've got Autentico products and we really hope that you're as excited as we are about them. We've been eager to get our hands on them. We've had a good play with the paint today and we've really loved using the product. If you potentially want to see another video based on another product, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. But yeah, bye for now.